guys, today we're making a few dollar Father's Day gift idea that totally wows. This is also great decor for your home. Be prepared for your mind to be blown. I love canvas art, and everywhere you look it is so expensive, especially if you're doing a custom one online. And today I'm going to show you how using a basic laser printer you can transfer an image directly onto wood. So whether you have a scrap piece of wood laying around your house or you want to get one for just a couple of dollars at Walmart, this is perfect for all of your favorite pictures. First step is to print your image, and you have to use a laser printer for this. We don't have a laser printer. I don't know anybody with a laser printer. So just go to your local office supply store. I printed 3 images on 8.5 by 11 paper for just 48 cents. Cut down the images to the size that you want for your piece of wood. To transfer your image, you need a gel medium or a polyacrylic finish, and I'll be sure to put a link down below. I use polyacrylic finishes for all of my DIY chalk paint projects, so I already had some on hand, but at any rate, it's very inexpensive. Put a generous several coats on and then lay your image face down on top. Keep in mind if you're using text, be sure to print a mirror image because it's going to appear backwards on the wood. You don't have a lot of wiggle room once you set it down, so be super careful. And then you can use a tongue depressor or a credit card to flatten out the image to make sure it adheres really well to the wood. You want to let this dry for a couple hours or ideally overnight. All right, here is my miserable failure. I did not wait long enough for this to dry and it all came out. Also, the paper wasn't enough on it, so that one did not work out. But besides that, then using a few drops of water a bit at a time over your image, put it right onto the paper and start peeling the paper back. This part is so satisfying and really cool to see the image transfer directly onto the wood. I find it best to use images with a lighter background. The darker your background, sometimes it's not going to bond all the way and it's going to give it a more rustic finish as you're removing the paper. I don't think this is necessarily a bad thing, it's just something to keep in mind. A couple of keys when doing this is to use a circular motion with your finger. I find it best to use your hands for this project. You can also keep a small toothbrush or even a rag on hand to get the excess off. Let this completely dry and then add any embellishments that you want. I wanted to add a bit of chalk paint to one of mine, so I added some painter's tape for really clean lines to add a really cute border. Once everything is completely dry, add one more coat of your polyacrylic finish over the top to seal everything in. This project is beautiful and can be done for just a couple of bucks. Would this not make an awesome Father's Day gift idea? And I don't know about you guys, but do you have squillions of pictures on your phone from all the outtakes of trying to get a cute picture of your kids when they're actually dressed up? It is near impossible, so if you have any tips for that, be sure to leave them in the comments down below, and leave this video a big thumbs up if you want more like this. Easy DIYs for your home on a super tiny budget. I'm grateful for you, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye! What do you think? Do you like it?
I don't like it. I love it.
Spoken like the husband of the year over here.